We catch up on the episode of
Walking Dead.
The Walking Dead.
Which I like.
And she had nightmares.
Stop. Don't stop. Stop. Don't stop. Don't.
Good morning.
Is it morning or afternoon?
Not afternoon yet.
Oh,
So,
morning, people.
So, let's say it again.
Good morning, people.
Good morning, people. So, it's 5 minutes to 12.
Almost afternoon.
Almost after. So, this is not a planned vlog. You know, we were about to hit the town.
Yeah.
And we thought, we never know
What's gonna happen?
what's going to happen.
Maybe we might see or...
What we might do.
Yeah.
So we thought the best thing is to grab the vlogging camera.
Yeah.
We haven't vlogged in a week. Yesterday we kind of just chilled at home. I was tempted to vlog, but Wife for Life was doing some
artwork. Finishing off. So well, not finishing off, but yeah, I was finishing off, and then I started a drawing for somebody.
So while she worked, I just kind of had a lazy day. Yeah. The camera was set up on a tripod, and we did do a time lapse of it.
Yeah.
So you could check that out right now. That's pretty much what we did with our day yesterday.
Yes.
Nothing more to. We had some wine in the.
Yeah.
Did we have wine yesterday? No, it was the day before. Yeah. So.
And that kind of sent us to sleep.
Yeah. So that was it.
2 glasses of wine each.
So last night we kind of just chilled. We watched. We catch up on the episode of
Walking Dead.
The Walking Dead.
Which I like.
And she had nightmares.
Somebody was chasing me, I don't know who it was.
She had nightmares.
And I fell down a hole.
So you see? Not everybody. We're not scary. We're not horror film people.
No.
Whether it's episodes or not, we try our best to avoid it. But somehow, The Walking Dead attracts us. It doesn't bother me when I watch it, because I kind of like tell myself special effects.
Oh yeah.
So I kind of know that
not real.
it's not real. But someone still had a nightmare. Anyway, we're about to head out. We don't know how it's going to go. We're going to Zurich City. The thing is, I would speak for both of us. We don't like to repeat processes in our vlog. And we've done so many trips to Zurich vlog.
Yeah.
So we're going to try our best to make this original. I'm not so sure I'll do any sights of Zurich, because if you check our older vlogs, there's so much of Zurich, you know.
Yeah.
So we want to keep it real and want to keep it original.
Well, the lake is not in our vlog, so maybe, well, the day...
Do it for the vlog.
The day looks bright, so we may go by the lake and show them Zurich.
We'll do it for the vlog, because I just checked the weather and it's still like 30 plus degrees.
Yeah.
We do have videos of the lake. It
On
wasn't when we
boat.
were officially vlogging, but we
yes,
did videos
yes.
of the lake.
Yes, we went on one of those little mini ships.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of those mini ships, and we got videos of that. So.
And we want to keep the vlog exciting, so we
Yeah.
may or may not go down to the lake, come to think of it now.
Yeah.
But anyway, what we can do to make this segment excited, we can do a little montage of Wife for Life and myself,
We're
of course.
matching today, yeah.
Yes,
Which
but-
we usually do when we go out sometimes. We usually match, not matching like, you know,
I don't wear heels.
same colour, yeah, or dresses, or,
Right.
you know.
But we always match in outfits.
Yeah.
We buy similar outfits so we can always, you know, show that we're a couple, twinsy. So, without any further ado, this is Wife for Life doing her thing.
So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me stronger, Ain't no luck finding real love. Gotta know where to look. Time moves fast, and I've grown up. Yeah, I run to you. Used to pay to run my life, standing on rainbows, playing it cool. I haven't felt this in ages, and I've no more patience. So won't you please stay a bit longer? You're making me stronger, making me stronger. Stay a bit longer. You're making me stronger, making me
So, that was our montage
You liked it?
of our twin. You know, Wife for Life staking her old Louis Vuitton today.
One, yeah,
Did you show it in the montage?
I think so. Just
Uh,
a little bit of air.
Yes, it was
Yeah.
our first Louis Vuitton.
It's been stuck in the bag and the box for a long time, so I decided to take it out.
One of those favorites that you just can't let go, you know. So anyway, like I said, we don't know what the next segment of this vlog is going to be. So brace yourself. Until then,
Ciao for now.
ciao for now. Update the current situation.
We are on Bahnhofstrasse.
Bahnhofstrasse, Zurich.
And guess
Is
what?
it too much light behind me, or no? It's good. Look.
But
Well-
unfortunately, it's not for me. As much as I love to shop, it's for a dear friend.
Right.
Little gift for a dear friend. So
Right. So we came out. So you
Yes.
know, Wife for Life made a sacrifice.
yeah, even though I've seen a whole lot of things that I really like and that I would like to buy, and having to watch husband roll his eyes.
Well, we stopped at a few shops,
Yes.
but sometimes it's good to shop for other people.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good to shop for other people.
Giving, yeah, to
It's
give.
good. It's good. You know, when you shop for other people, you hope that the choices that you make are satisfying to them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So,
Even though you kind of like put yourself into the gift as well.
well, I try
I
to
also-
advise not to put herself into it.
Yeah.
So that was our purpose of coming to Zurich.
So, yeah.
Not much more to do or say, but what I could do is do little mini shots of Zurich. Like, are we going to the lake?
No,
No, because
we kind of like said that we got the
yeah,
lake in
the
there, but
lake.
I think we should do the lake and all those other things
When it's summer
when it's summer, yeah.
or warmer. So to speak.
Although the day is not so bad today,
I'm still cold.
but yeah, we'll do it another day.
Alright,
And
so...
plus I haven't got my walking shoes on, so...
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, so we will call that and we will head home.
Heading home now. I'm hungry.
Yes,
Probably
so
pick up a donut on the way.
Dunkin' Donuts is now in Zurich. We've said that before in a vlog, but no, back then it was
But it
coming.
was closed, yeah.
Yeah, so
Now it's open.
it's officially here. So, until our next segment,
Ciao for now.
ciao for now. I'll have one of the bottom. Yeah. What do you think of the new Dunkin' Donuts? Does it replicate the American brands? Does it replicate the American stores? Cash for the lady. Oh. For the lady. Yeah. Cool. And you told me, as you know, she will serve you. Thank you. Bye. So, next segment, we will definitely be on. We've just copped our grab, Dunkin' Donuts.
So 2 donuts cost £6.40. Expensive?
You be the judge. Yeah? So, until then,
Ciao.
ciao for now. And we are home.
As quick as a flash.
Yes.
Yes.
Ate the donut. Donut was good. I thought it was jam donut, but it turned out to be custard donut.
And I had a glazed donut.
You know, but no regret. It was
nice.
Was still good.
It's
With
hungry
the exception, with the exception that it made us hungry.
Yeah.
Than fill us.
But we have
pizza from last night.
leftover pizza.
So we're about to chow down on that. Wife for Life did her pizza last night.
Made it
with some
myself, fresh.
With some homemade wedges.
Yes.
She always made pizza from
scratch.
From scratch.
Sorry, Domino's and all those pizza places, but I make it myself.
When you have a chef in the family, you have to exercise all the abilities.
Exactly.
So we're both chefs, by the way, you know, but I keep it on the I keep it on the Jamaican food side of things.
Yeah.
You know, I learned yard style cooking, you know,
Yeah.
watch and learn. Wife for Life actually
All
went,
genres of cooking, French, Italian, English, Jamaican also.
she went to college, university for cooking.
Yeah.
I'm sure in college they didn't teach Jamaican food.
They
So
taught
she
all kinds
learned
of food.
from me and her parents.
Yeah, of course, parents first.
Anyway, we somehow conjured a vlog today. And
Yeah.
we're very proud of ourselves. Hope you guys enjoy it as much as we did enjoy
Exactly.
putting it together. I'm about to jump around the computer now,
Yeah, edit this vlog.
edit this vlog and upload it for you. So,
Okay.
until then,
Ciao for now.
ciao for now.